What is vibe coding and why is everyone talking about it? Vibe coding is building software by simply describing what you want in plain language and letting the AI build it for you. The design, the database, the login system, everything. The term was coined by Andres Karpathy, one of the world's most respected AI researchers, in early 2025. He described it as just see things, say things, run things, copy-paste things until the software does what you want. You don't write code, you guide the AI. Here's how it works. It's a loop. You describe your app, what it does, who it's for, what it needs, and the AI generates a working application. You test it and then tell the AI what to change. It changes it, and you repeat this until the app does exactly what you want. That's it. Now, this is not the same as just using ChatGPT. Ask ChatGPT to build you an app and it'll hand you code. Useful code, but you still need to set up a server, configure a database, handle hosting, deal with security. ChatGPT gives you the ingredients, but it doesn't cook the meal. Vibe coding platforms actually cook the meal. You describe the app, and the platform generates it, hosts it, gives it a database, and a login system, end to end. One thing to be clear about though, one sentence doesn't give you a perfect app. The AI isn't magic. Yet. You still guide it, test it, and iterate. The skill is in how you communicate, how precisely you describe what you want. We'll spend a lot of time on that because it's what separates great results from frustration. Alright, that's what vibe coding is. Now let me show you what the tool landscape actually looks like. There are over a dozen vibe coding tools out there right now, and more launch every month. I'm going to give you a quick overview of the main categories so you know what's available, and then we'll pick one together and build something. These tools fall into 3 categories. The first category is all-in-one app builders. These are platforms like Base44, Lovable, and Bolt.new. You describe your app and they generate everything. The front end, the back end, the database, the hosting. You don't touch code, you don't set up servers, you just describe what you want, and the platform handles the rest. These are the most beginner-friendly option, and they're what most people think of when they hear the term vibe coding. The second category is AI-powered code editors, tools like Cursor, Windsurf, and GitHub Copilot. These still use a traditional code editor. You're looking at actual code files, but AI writes most of the code for you. You can describe what you want in natural language, and the AI fills it in. These are better if you have some coding background or if you want more control over what's being built. The third category is AI coding agents. Think Replit Agent, Claude Code, or Codex. These are AI systems that can plan, write, and deploy code more autonomously. You give them a goal, and they figure out the steps. They're more powerful, but also more complex to work with. More of a power user tool.